how to install Python in our system, what we will do, we will just go to the Python download, and here we have the python.org official website. So this is the link where we can download the latest version for Windows. If you have Mac operating system, you can go over the link here, and then you can download in your local machine, right? So आप लोग का हिंदी में प्रॉपर है या फिर इंग्लिश में release version as well, but I won't recommend this Python because I do not write the code. People use different platforms for the Python, right? How to install Python? Like first we have python.org. This is the first website, right? Second one is the Anaconda. We have the option for the Anaconda where we will be looking at the how to install Python IDE, right? So the Anaconda will be the second option, which I prefer. Third one is the Visual Studio. जब आप किसी like किसी कंपनी में जाते हैं या किसी प्लेटफॉर्म में जाते हैं, तो for that purpose developers usually use Visual Studio, but that is for the advanced level, that is for the senior level, but for mediator level or the beginner level you can use the Anaconda or python.org. Third option, we have Colab. Colab is the given by the Google itself. This is kind of online, right? If you do not have internet, then you cannot use Google Colab, right? These three are offline version, right? अगर आपके पास internet नहीं है, then you can use these three platform as well, right? What is the fourth option? Fourth option is still we have online compilers. So what is online compilers? We have n number of compilers. Again, this is the online. If you do not have internet, means you cannot use Python compiler, right? So what do you mean by, like, let's go for I had already depicted the python.org. This is the official website, right? The B part is Anaconda. I'm going to show the Anaconda website. This is the free download option, and you can get started in data science on your workstation, right? Here you can see the link. If you have Mac operating system, you can get additional installers from here, right? If you have Linux, you can go here, right? So can you see this is showing the download version? It's near about 1 GB. Once you have installed the process in the cloud-based or in the Jupyter Notebook experience, you will be focusing at this kind of navigator. This is an IDE where we be looking at Jupyter Notebook, right? So this Jupyter Notebook will be used for writing our code. Right? Can you see? This is the Jupyter Notebook. We will be covering this Jupyter Notebook as well. All right. So I'm going to launch. You can click on the launch button here, and then you can move to the next level. So Control Shift 3. Okay. Now this is the online compiler. So this was the visual. Now how to check the Colab, how to run the Colab part. So you can write the Colab Google and you can click on the colab.google. It's the service provided by the Google Colab. जैसे हमारा YouTube है, Gmail है और हमारे other features हैं जैसे forms हैं, translate है, meet है. These are Chrome. These are other services provided by Google. Similarly, we have colab.google. This is hosted Jupyter Notebook service, require no setup, include GPU, TPUs, and Colab itself. Now this is suited for machine learning, data science, and education. You can open the Colab and you can create a new notebook here. This is the way we can new notebook. you can see this is the way we can create the new notebook here. All right, so I'm going to create a new notebook here, and this will be saved in your drive. आपके जो ड्राइव है गूगल ड्राइव, उसमें आपकी ये लाइब्रेरी सेव होगी, right? So I can rename this one. This would be the Python session, and I can write my code here, right? Let's say I'm going to write print. This would be the print hello, right? So print hello will be the output here. I want to print any string, any statement. So this would be the statement here. It's taking time because it's connecting the server. It's connecting the Colab backend compiler connectivity is being placed here, right? Can you see this RAM here? This RAM will be high अगर आप machine learning data science का project करोगे. If you have number of images, then this curve will be like this one. This image will be, this RAM will be more consumed in that case. So we will be using this. Like, can you see? This is the view resources and change runtime. So what is the online compiler? Let me explain that. Online Python compiler. Going to run this code, and here you can see program is there. One of the online compiler is there. This online python.com is there, and you can use these online compiler to run your code, but your data will not be saved anywhere. आपको कहीं पे भी सेव करके नहीं देगा, right? If you can go with the online python.com, you can see this is the again the online IDE. आपके डेटा को सेव करने के लिए कहीं पे ये नहीं दे रहा है, right? So this is the meaning of online compiler. I'm going to close all these. So we will be moving ahead with the Jupyter notebook only, right? So is this any doubt?